The trial against a former Uvalde school police officer will enter week 3 of testimony on Tuesday. Adrian Gonzalez is charged with 29 counts of child endangerment for his role in the police response to the Robb Elementary School shooting. Capitol correspondent Dylan McKim breaks down what we've heard so far and what we can expect in the case.
After 2 weeks of testimony, we've heard from 36 witnesses. Those include family members of some of the victims, almost a dozen Texas Rangers who investigated this shooting, and some teachers who were shot inside their classrooms at Robb Elementary. Adrian Gonzalez was the first law enforcement officer to arrive to the school that day. We know from a critical timeline of events that when Gonzalez arrived to the school, the gunman was still outside near the teacher's parking lot, which is right next to the 4th grade building. This animation, shown in court Friday, shows the approximate location of the gunman, indicated as the red dot, and Gonzalez indicated as a blue dot. Other officers arrived less than a minute after Gonzalez. Gonzalez had been at the school for roughly 64 seconds before the gunman entered the school through a west side door that had been left unlocked. An investigator testified that the gunman fired 117 shots inside classrooms 111 and 112 before Gonzalez entered the school with other law enforcement. State prosecutors allege a witness had told Gonzalez the location of the shooter, but he failed to act to try and delay or deter the gunman from entering the school. Defense attorneys have pushed back on this narrative, arguing Gonzalez did the best with what he knew and claim other officers were better situated than their client to do something. It was found in the investigation that one officer, Juan Salcedo, saw the gunman outside the school and asked for permission to take a shot, but did not. The state has not rested its case just yet. Once it does, the defense will have its own opportunity to call witnesses. It's possible they may call other officers who responded shortly after Gonzalez did to testify on the witness stand. Now, because of the MLK holiday, court will be closed on Monday, so the trial will resume on Tuesday morning at 8:30. Reporting in Corpus Christi, I'm Dylan McKim.